Welcome back. We are seeing some slightly cooler temperatures around west central Ohio this morning compared to the last few mornings. The last few mornings we've seen those temperatures between the lower to mid 60s, but we've got some 50s moving in this morning, so we'll take a look at those local temperatures. We're seeing 55 degrees in Paulding, 58 in Van Wert, 59 for Continental as well as Ottawa and Columbus Grove, 58 in Bluffton, 60 for Arlington, 59 in Findlay as well as Van Buren, 63 for Kenton, 59 in Lafayette, 57 for Elida, 60 degrees in Wapakoneta. We are sitting at 58 degrees here in Lima, 59 for Spencerville as well as Salina. We're seeing 60 for Coldwater as well as Rockford. So slightly cooler this morning. You might want to grab a jacket, but it is feeling much more comfortable out there. Yesterday we still started with those dew points in the 60s. You can see this morning we've got some 50s and even 40s building into west central Ohio, so some drier air has moved in, and overall it's going to be a very comfortable day for your Friday. But here's a look at satellite and radar. Just a few thin clouds out there. We are expecting plenty of sunshine for your Friday, so we've got the sunshine as well as lower dew points, and temperatures will be very comfortable, so just a great day to end the week for today. Now we're seeing more sunshine. We will be seeing more sunshine for today thanks to an area of high pressure that is settling in. We still have that very slow moving cold front that's off to our south and east, but that's not going to be bothering us. It's going to continue to take those showers with it, and we will be hanging on to that high pressure. However, as we head into the weekend, we do have another cold front that will be dropping in, and this is going to give us another chance for some rain showers for your Saturday into the second half of the day. But today and for the first half of the day of Saturday, it looks like we are going to be staying dry. But temperatures this morning around the region, you can see a little bit cooler thanks to that cold front that moved through. So those cooler conditions as well as that drier air have continued to settle into the region. So again, just a really nice day out there. And we are going to be seeing those temperatures getting a little bit closer to the average over the next few days. Today, probably still topping out in the lower 80s, but the average high for this time of year is 78 degrees. We'll be getting closer to that as we head through the weekend. But for today, we've got that sunshine thanks to high pressure, maybe just a few thin clouds out there. For Saturday, we will start to see some increase in clouds. We'll really start to see those clouds building into night, and then we will start to see a chance for some rain showers as we head into the afternoon on Saturday thanks to this cold front that's moving through. Now, it does not look like it's going to be a washout for Saturday, but if you have any afternoon and evening plans, you will want to keep an umbrella handy. And then we still have a slight chance for some of those showers into Sunday as that cold front continues to move through. So for today, though, we're staying dry, plenty of sunshine, temperatures about 81 degrees, very comfortable out there. Tonight we'll see increasing clouds, temperatures about 60 degrees. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Back into the 70s for the majority of next week, but a little more comfortable and not a complete washout this weekend. But again, if you do have any plans, you might want to keep the umbrella handy for Saturday afternoon and evening.
Yeah, as you said, don't change your plans, just be ready.
Yeah, don't change your plans, yeah.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Elise. So coming up next, we're going to take a sneak peek at the St. Gerard Parish Festival. Thinking about hitting a few garage sales this weekend. Is it going to be good weather if I need to do the stiff arm, the pivot, the elbow, that
I think
kind of
so.
thing?
You might need to work on holding an umbrella with one arm.
Right, well, I'm
Possibly.
pie-facing somebody else.
Yeah. Not a washout, though, but
Okay.
again, if you have any plans this weekend, you might want to keep that umbrella handy.
Sure.
Today, though, no problem out there. So if you have any garage sales today, it's going to be a good day out there. We're going to be seeing plenty of sunshine, just overall comfortable conditions. Now, we are starting out a little bit cooler than we have the last few mornings, currently sitting at 58 degrees here in Lima with winds out of the east-southeast at 3 miles per hour and lower dew points. The dew point here in Lima is at 49 degrees, so some drier air has settled in, but also some cooler temperatures. Now, yesterday we made it closer to the mid-80s. Today we'll stay a little bit cooler in the lower 80s, and even this morning you can see a little bit of a cooler start. So we're going to start to see a little bit more of a cooling trend as we head through the next few days. So actually we'll be getting a little bit closer to the average. Today, though, I think we're still going to be topping out right around 80 degrees, generally in the lower 80s. So that's still going to be above the average. The average high for this time of year is 78 degrees. But as we head through the weekend, we'll see those temperatures getting closer to the average and even dropping slightly below that average. So the 70s are going to be back, and we are going to be saying goodbye to those 80s. But taking a look at satellite and radar, we are tracking dry weather for you on this Friday and some more sunshine. Just a few thin clouds out there this morning. But as I mentioned, it's going to be a sunny day and very comfortable day out there to end the week. Those dew points have dropped, so it's not as sticky out there. Some drier air has settled in and some cooler air thanks to that cold front that moved through. You can still see some higher dew points just behind that cold front. It's still slowly moving off to our east, but here in west central Ohio and parts to our north and west, you can see those drier dew points moving in, so a lot more pleasant for your Friday. But here's a look at satellite and radar. We've got high pressure that is settling in, so that's going to help to clear the clouds, so we're going to be seeing more of that sunshine for today. However, we do have another cold front that's going to be moving through. That's currently off to our north and west. That's going to be bringing us a chance for some showers as we head into the afternoon on Saturday. So today we are staying dry, but you will want to keep the umbrella handy if you have any afternoon and evening plans for your Saturday. So for today, we've got that high pressure settling in, giving us plenty of sunshine. Overall, beautiful conditions out there for today. Tonight, we will start to see some increase in clouds ahead of that cold front, but we will be staying dry. But it looks like we will start to see a chance for some showers, maybe even some isolated thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon hours for your Saturday. It's not looking like a washout, but again, if you have any plans out there, you do want to keep an umbrella handy, keep that rain gear handy. Now, we'll continue to see a chance for some scattered showers through Saturday evening. Even into Sunday, we could see a few isolated showers still stirred up by this cold front that will continue to move through. But again, temperatures will be cooling as well. So we'll see a slight chance for some rain showers this weekend, but not a washout. But today, we don't need to worry about that. We'll see plenty of sunshine. Temperatures about 81 degrees. Very comfortable out there. Again, those dew points are dropping. Tonight, we'll see temperatures about 60 degrees, so still relatively mild with increasing clouds. And for tomorrow, again, that chance for some rain showers as we head into the afternoon and evening. Not a washout, but still we'll be dodging some raindrops. But look at that, 70s back in the forecast. So a little bit more closer to average for this time of year.
I find the 70s perfect. I don't know how I know a lot of people like the 80s and 90s, but I'm telling you, get in the mid 70s.
I just love being able to open the windows, and I think this will be great weather for it.
It's living. All right, now turn into sports.
Here's Jason Geiser with the highlights.